Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gloria Love is on the building. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. If you are new on my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, turn your bell on so that you'll be getting notified whenever I drop a video. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. For my new subscriber, I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. I do appreciate everybody. So guys, I want to quickly bring out this issue about the last video I uploaded, which is how I circumcised my baby, and the other one was after 5 days my baby was circumcised. Yeah, so I want to quickly talk about that video, about the comment I received from that video. Okay, so guys, the type of comment I received for that video. So before I proceed, I want to ask a question. For you to circumcise your baby, is it a bad idea? Because I find it confused. Yeah, it's like some people it's a bad idea for some people when you circumcise your baby. Because for me, in Africa, if you give birth to a male child, it's very important for you to circumcise your baby. So if you live in another country and you give birth to a male child, and you're still going to find a solution how you can able to circumcise your baby. Yeah. So guys, I actually dropped that video because of those that live here in Italy, because most of them are looking for a way forward how they can able to circumcise their baby, because most of them here they do it one-on-one. They do it one-on-one. At the end of the day, the thing will bring a problem. So I actually post that video for those that need help, for those that want to do their baby and they don't know how to go about it. That is why I uploaded that video. I did not uploaded that video just for me to confuse people on social media. No, I dropped that video for those that need help, for those that want to do their own children and they couldn't able to find the right place to go. That is the reason why I dropped the video. But I find it difficult to understand that the video was the comment that I received for that video. Some drop a nasty comment, because I have to make this video to let them to understand that you cannot just go to someone page and watch video and leave a dirty comment. No, somebody comment on this video and said the person's name is, the worst is that some comments deleted because they disappear, because those comment was not necessary. The comment was so bad, and the end of the day YouTube removed the comments. Yeah, YouTube removed the comment because the comment was so bad. The only one that I can see here is that this person here, I don't even know if you are a male or a female. If you are a male child and if your parent didn't circumcise you, you better go and ask your parent why they did not circumcise you. Because if you are a male child, you cannot come to someone page and be telling the person that another child punished for being a boy. Why mother put their son through unnecessary pain is sick. The person that wrote this comment is FHT Scorbo. This person that don't even know if the person is a female or a male. So if you are a male child, you don't suppose to drop this comment here. And if you are a female child and you give birth to your children and you did not circumcise your children, you better go and do that before it's too late. Okay, if you are a female child, or if you are a mother, or if you are a woman, I don't know how to explain, I don't know how to describe you, and you leave this type of comment here, and if you have a male child and you didn't circumcise him, better go and do that before it's too late. Okay, this person dropped this comment here. He say another child punished for being a boy. Why mother put their son through unnecessary pain is sickening. So someone replied. This person that replied actually leave comments before, and the comment disappeared because the comment was not necessary. Because the comment disappeared. The person wrote comment before. He say, "Were you circumcised or are you circumcised?" That is what I saw before. So the person actually waits for another person to watch my video and come back again. I don't understand some people. he watched the video before and he leave a comment. I don't even know if it's he or she. He or she leave the comment. He wrote, "Are you circumcised?" I didn't answer him because the comment disappear. YouTube remove the comment, and when another person come back to come and watch my video, which is Simon Pop. He said this guy came to come and watch my video. When he came to come and watch my video, when he said another child punished for being a boy, which mother put their son through unnecessary pain, is seeking. So this guy called Simon Pop came back again. I don't know if you are a guy or a woman. He come back again and reply, yeah, apparently in this case, since she consoled my question asking her if she was circumcised, mother and father do it to show loyalty to their community by branding the next generation as belonging to it. Of course, they will excuse it with lot of other reasons, but that is real one. So this guy was actually waiting for another person to watch this video and came back again to come and reply somebody. I was like, so you were actually waiting for another person to comment a nasty comment on my video, and you came back to come and reply to the person. Most of the comments deleted because the comment was not necessary, because the comment was so rude. So YouTube removed those comments. That is why I could not reply the comments. So guys, for those that came to my video to come and drop unnecessary comments, for example, maybe you are a boy. I don't even know if you are a boy or you are a girl, and your parents did not circumcise you. You better go and ask your parents question, or you better go and circumcise yourself, because it's very important. Okay? And if you are a man and you came to come, if you are a man, you come to my comment section and be saying rubbish, go and check if they circumcise you first. If they circumcise you and you came to someone's page and start writing rubbish, really? So you cannot come to someone's page after watching this person's video. You wrote a nasty comment. It's not making any sense at all. Watch video, leave a better comment, so that when someone reads your comment, it will be happy to make another video. Not leaving a nasty comment. I was so disappointed that most all the comments were deleted, because the comment that they leave on this video, they deleted because the comment was unnecessary. Yeah, the comment was unnecessary because YouTube did not want that type of comment. That is why they removed it. So guys, I made this video to help those that need help, because I know a lot of people here in Italy, they don't know how to go about this sort of a thing. They don't know how to go about how they can circumcise their baby. So many didn't circumcise their baby because they don't know how to go about it. They don't want to take the risk. That is why they couldn't do it. So I just made this video to help people, to help those that need help. I didn't make this video to confuse people or something else. Okay? So whenever you are watching someone's video, try and leave a better comment, so that when the person come back to you, you will feel like you will be happy while reading your comments, not nasty comments. Okay? For those of you that leave a better comment, may God bless each and every one of you. Especially for those that know the meaning of circumcision, may God bless you all. Because someone wrote a comment here, Normopoly, circumcision is a great blessing. I hope your boy enjoyed this despite the pain. Yeah, we all know that it's painful, but it's very important. God bless you all for your understanding. Amenaji wrote a comment, Amen, he's too cute and hurt. You are doing a great job, Mama. Thank you so much, sister. Rita Amayo wrote, Amen, your baby is growing very fast and he is so cute and healthy. What are you feeding him with his skin glowing? You are really taking good care of him. Keep it up. I am very proud of you. Thank you so much, Sister Rita. May God bless you for your good comment. Oh, baby really look healthy and cute. Thank you for sharing with us, Mama. Thank you so much, Mommy King. Adori Adori King TV. So another person wrote, Lucy Benko, he is so big and grow. Thank God he is okay and doing great. Happy birthday, Bobo. Thank you so much, Debuton. May God bless you for your sweet comment. I done my son 2 years old son. I done my son 2 years old son 2 weeks ago. He screamed all the way through the procedure. He is in a lot of pain when anything touch his mouth. Uncover gland as he has stopped walking. As this must rub on it. Did you have this problem with your boy? And what did you use to cover it to help with pain? Thank God that this person understand, though I did not know you. Shop 6, thank God you understand. It's very important to circumcise. Thank God you understand the meaning of this video. May God bless you, Shop 6. May God bless you and your family, okay? Yeah, the pain was not easy. Actually, after the circumcision, he was still very pampers. Yeah, he still put on pampers, and the pampers make the injury to heal fast, because whenever he put on pampers and the heat from the pampers will be hitting the place, so that the injury will go fast. Yeah, just that whenever you put on the pampers, you don't have to tight the pampers. You have to put it. You don't have to tight the pampers. You have to put it and free the pampers. Yeah. So Storytime Gospel TikTok wrote, if I beat you now, you will be happy. So feel his pain. He is really growing with speed. Yeah, thank you so much, sister. I do appreciate. TM Live, whoa, big boy, looking so cute. Thank you so much for your comments. I do appreciate. Look at this particular comment that make me come back to this video. This is the particular comment that make me come back to this video. This person said, the name of the person is Gami with Josh. Shame you hurt your child like this. You are supposed to protect him, not offer him up to the old gods by mutilating him. Really this comment got me, that make me come back and react to this, especially this video. Is this comment that actually bring me back to this video. He says, shame on you, shame you who hurt your child like this. You are supposed to protect him, not offer him up to the old gods by mutilating him. Shame on you too, because I was doing the right thing. Yeah, and I'm so very happy that everything went well and everything was okay with him. I'm so very happy, and I circumcised my baby. I'm super excited right now. Now my boy is not a full grown man. I'm super excited. Okay, so if you are a man or woman, I don't care. If you are a man or woman and you have children and you have boys, you didn't circumcise them, please go and do that. It's very important. Go and do that for their future use. Okay, thank you so much for always watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. So Miss Modella the TV wrote, our baby boy is really big now. Big. Happy birthday to you, my love. Thank you so much, Miss Modella. I do appreciate. Mrs. Aya wrote, enjoy watching this thumbnail with baby boy, so happy and healthy. Hey Stefano, you are so cute. Happy and healthy. Thank you so much, Mrs. Aya. I do appreciate your stopping by. May God bless you. Beauty ICN TV wrote, your baby is so cute. Thank you so much for your comment. I appreciate. So guys, this is what I got for this video. For those that leave me a better comment, may God bless you all. For the comment that YouTube deleted, because YouTube saw the comment was so nasty and YouTube removed those comments. I saw the comment, but I couldn't find the comments because all the comments disappeared. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate for your love and for your understanding. May God bless you all. For those that always stop by to watch my video, may God keep protecting you all and bless you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.